Hello, good morning students. Today's your topic is LED. LED is the light emitting diodes. About the LEDs, a light emitting diodes is essentially a PN junction opto semiconductors that emits the monochromatic lights. When operated in a forward bias directions, LED converts the electrical energy into light energy. जो एलईडी है वो कन्वर्ट करता है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी को लाइट एनर्जी में एंड द मोस्ट important part of the light emitting diodes is the semiconductor chip located in the center of the bulbs as shown in the right. The chip has two regions separated by the junctions. The junction act as the barrier to the flow of the electrons between the p and n regions. The LED circuits, these are shown in the figures. There are two terminals, anode and cathodes. One resistance is connected and current flow from anode to cathode. And in the electronics, the basic LED circuit is the electric power circuit used to power a light emitting diodes or LED. The simplest such a circuit consists of a voltage source and two components connected in the series. A current limiting resistors, sometimes called the ballast resistors, and an LED. Optionally, a switch may be introduced to open and close the circuits. The switch may be replaced with the another components or circuit to form continuity testers. How does a LED works? LED work कैसे करता है? Each times of electrons recombines with a positive charge, electric potential energy is converted into the electromagnetic energy. For each recombinations of negative and a positive charge, a quantum of the electromagnetic energy is emitted in the form of photons of light with the frequency characteristics of the semiconductor materials. And mechanism behind the photon emissions in the LED mechanism is the injection electroluminescence. Luminance part of tells us that we are producing photons. Electro part of tells us that the photons are being produced by the electric current E, and injection tells us photon production is by the injection of the current carries. How much energy does an LED emit? The energy E is the light emitting by the LED related to the electric charge Q of the electrons and voltage V required to LED by the expressions E is equal to QV joules. This is the expressions of the energies, and expression simply says that the voltage proportional to the electric energy. Q is the charge. The constant Q is the electric charge of the single electrons, 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19 coulombs. Color of the LEDs. LEDs are made from the gallium based crystals that contains one of the most additional materials such as the phosphorus to produce the distinct colors. Different LEDs chip technologies emit light in specific region of the visible light spectrum and produce the different intensity levels. LED are available in the red, orange, ambers, yellows, greens, blues and whites. LED characteristics and colors. One of the major characteristics of LED is its colors. The different LED characteristics have brought about by a variety of the factors. The manufacture of the LED, the semiconductor make up the factor, what fabrications of technology of the encapsulations also play the major part of the determination of the LEDs characteristics. LED performance, there are so many performance. LED performance is based on the few primary characteristics, colors, white light, intensity, eye safety informations, visibilities, operating life, and voltage design currents. Applications of the LEDs: sensor applications, mobile applications, sign applications, and automotive uses LED signals, illuminations, and indicators. These are the all the applications of the LEDs. So we can basically idea of the LEDs to emit the light, and current forward from the anode to cathodes. So LED is various uses in the fields of the field of the mobile communications, sign application, automotive, and illuminations indicators. And thank you students for this lecture. Thank you.